Okay, Maya, imagine you have a boring day job. You're a government roads inspector. Everything is very by the book, very gray. But every single night, for 18 years, you sneak into a forbidden forest with a bicycle loaded with literal trash.
Wait, a bag of trash? Like actual garbage? That sounds like the start of a very strange mystery novel, Leo.
It's better than a novel. It's real. We're talking about Nek Chand Saini. This guy basically built a secret empire in the middle of a forest in India, and he did it using nothing but broken sinks, shattered glass bangles, and old electrical fuses. He was like a creative alchemist, turning junk into a divine kingdom.
Hold on, 18 years? How do you hide an empire for 18 years, especially if you're a government official?
That's the wild part. He found this gorge near Sukna Lake in Chandigarh. Now, this area was a conservancy, meaning you couldn't build anything there. It was totally illegal. But Nek Chand, he didn't care. He'd go out at night, collect waste from demolition sites around the city, because Chandigarh was being modernized at the time, and he'd haul it to his secret spot. He was basically playing a high-stakes game of Minecraft, but with real-life porcelain and concrete.
I love the idea of him being a nighttime recycler. But what was he actually making? Was it just piles of stuff, or?
No, it's a masterpiece. It's called the Rock Garden of Chandigarh. Imagine interlinked courtyards, man-made waterfalls, and thousands, literally over 5,000 sculptures. We're talking dancers, musicians, animals, all covered in broken ceramic. It's like a mosaic fever dream.
Wait, really? 5,000 sculptures? And the authorities didn't notice a waterfall being built in a protected forest?
Right? That's the wait what moment for everyone. It wasn't until 1975 that the city finally stumbled upon it. By then, it was already 12 acres.
12 acres? Leo, that's huge. That's like 9 football fields of secret art. What did they do? I assume they weren't happy about the illegal construction.
Well, initially they wanted to demolish it, but the public? Oh, the people loved it. It was so unique and beautiful that the government actually did a total 180. They gave him a salary to work on it full time and even gave him a crew of 50 laborers. It went from a secret crime to a national treasure. It's 40 acres now.
That is such a beautiful turnaround. It's like the city realized they had a diamond in the rough, or a diamond made of rough.
Exactly. It's the ultimate one man's trash story. And there's even a dolls museum inside now with 200 rag dolls he made from waste cloth back in the 70s. It's pure heart, Maya.
You know, it's so refreshing to hear about someone just creating for the sake of creating. No fame, no money, just a man and his vision in the woods.
It really is. It's a sanctuary.
Speaking of sanctuaries, if you're enjoying this little escape with us, you should definitely join the loop. Come back tomorrow for your daily curiosity fix. We love having you here.
Yes, join us, because honestly, I have a million more of these. But anyway, back to the garden. It hasn't always been easy. In the 90s, when Nek Chand was away on a lecture tour, the city actually pulled the funding and vandals got in. It was heartbreaking.
Oh no. See, that's the part that always worries me with these passion projects. Who looks after them when the creator isn't there?
Well, that's the silver lining. A group called the Rock Garden Society stepped in. And even recently, in 2025, there was some drama because the city demolished a part of the outer wall to build a road. People were out in the streets protesting. It shows that the garden doesn't just belong to Nek Chand anymore. It belongs to the community.
It's become a part of their identity. I mean, 1.5 million people visit it a year. That's a lot of love for some recycled sinks and bangles.
It's the textures, Maya. If you see pictures, the walls are lined with broken plates and electrical plugs, but it looks like scales on a dragon or feathers on a bird. It's a reminder that nothing is truly waste if you have the imagination to see what else it could be. It's like, if the world gives you shards, you make a mosaic.
I love that. If the world gives you shards, make a mosaic. That's a very Leo analogy.
I try, but seriously, it's a place everyone should see. It's a testament to what one person can do with a bicycle and a dream.
And a lot of patience. 18 years in the dark, that's true dedication. Well, I'm feeling inspired to go recycle something now.
Me too. Or at least go look at my trash bin with a bit more respect.
Definitely. Well, this was fascinating, Leo. Thanks for bringing this to the porch today.
My pleasure. See you again soon, everyone. Stay curious.
Stay curious.